Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Thursday morning. Welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're here at our fantastic studio here at Newark, the Newark offices, and it's also being used as for our Christmas party later today. So studio and Christmas party location. So we're happy to see all of you this morning and say hi, and we hope it's all going well. We just had a few more sponsors and people sign up for the CEE Retail Awards, which is taking place January 27th at the Warsaw InterContinental Hotel. So we hope you're all with us. Quite a few interesting retailers. Some new sponsors today, so we'll have a lot of news that we'll be posting up during even during next week, I think. So we hope everyone, if you won't see us or we won't see you, we hope that you'll have a Merry Christmas and a safe and happy Christmas Day and Christmas Eve. I guess it's going to be snowing a lot this week. I heard from Saturday.
I hope so.
And minus 13.
Yeah,
so
an extra.
I guess we'll all be
extra.
We'll all be quarantined if it's minus 13, I guess, and at least stuck inside. So, yeah, we hope all is going well. Also, our MIPIM magazine coming out in March for MIPIM, the CEE Real Estate Guide. So let us know if you're planning to go to MIPIM or you want to advertise something to the participants at MIPIM. We're once again the international media partner for that event, and have kind of extensive distribution throughout the fair and all the Congress hotels in CAM. Also our SCE Awards coming up right after that, March 31st in Romania at the Radisson Blue Hotel. So we hope to see you all there. Let us know if you want to do anything for Southeastern Europe as well. We got a lot happening there. And again, limited seating at that event as well due to the circumstances. So please let us know if you want a table or you want to do a sponsorship and get some tickets. We want to make sure we get them at least reserved for you before it's sold out. So having said that, let's do a quick break, and we'll be back in 20 seconds with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief of EuropaProperty.com, and with the news for today. Ladies and gentlemen, join us for the 14th Annual Europa Property CEE Retail Awards. With over 100 expansion directors attending and the most active owners of shopping centers, retail parks, and big box retail, and they're ready to do deals. This event is not to be missed. During the day, we have our retail marketplace, which focuses on deal-making retailer presentations and the CEE Retail Forum. Then in the evening, our big retail awards gala, which starts at 7 and finishes late into the evening. Welcome back, and Winston, ready for action? Are you ready for Christmas?
Yeah, I think so.
Shopping started?
It's finished, Craig. Yeah, I'm all ready for action.
Excellent.
Yeah.
All right. Do we have any? Give us all the excitement for today in the Europa Property website.
Okay, so we'll start today in Poland, where CBRE Investment Management, on behalf of their client, has agreed on the acquisition of the Nexus portfolio, which is a over 200,000 square meter logistics portfolio located in Poland, from the European Logistics Investment, which is a vehicle jointly managed by Griffin Real Estate, Redefine, and Madison International Realty. This portfolio comprises of 8 buildings across 6 Grade A warehouse complexes, and all 8 properties were developed between 2015 and 2017 by Panattoni in a joint venture with Uch Zif, and the portfolio is 90% leased to a well-balanced mix of tenants.
Oh, great.
And according to Neville Senman, he's the managing partner.
I saw him yesterday at his office.
At Griffin Real Estate? Oh,
yeah,
okay.
Yeah.
So
he was there working, actually.
Maybe you'll tell me what he said.
Well, he didn't tell me about all this interesting stuff. But.
Didn't tell you about the money he's making. And he says the logistics sector is currently perceived as one of the most attractive real estate markets to invest in, and more foreign investors are interested in investing in Poland, as it has become one of the fastest growing markets in Europe. And yeah, this is just closing the year with what's been happening for the whole year.
No, it's a big deal to close with.
A very big deal to close with, yeah. So some happy clients there, I would imagine.
Yeah, absolutely.
Moving to Hungary and another sector which is proving to be very busy at the moment is the residential sector.
Right.
And Cordia has been responding to this buoyant demand, and they're adding 300 more homes to their residential property supply in Budapest.
Wow.
And the projects will total around 26,300 square meters, and they're going to be developed in 3 districts of Budapest, which is the I6 residence near the Corvin Promenade in the 8th district.
Oh, very nice area.
The Millennium residence in the urban regeneration area of the 9th district, which is undergoing a complete transformation now. And the exclusive Nafgegi 12 condominium in the prestigious central area of the Buda side of the capital next to the Buda Castle.
Some big words there.
Very big, yeah. Let's move on to the next one.
Yeah, exactly.
And you mentioned MIPIM. We had some news from MIPIM yesterday, and they're expecting a big turnout this year.
Yeah,
big turnout.
Okay.
They hope to expect the same numbers as they had in 2019, so before the pandemic.
Wow. Okay.
And
It's a big pent-up demand, I think. Yeah.
Yeah. They're expecting a lot of new international cities from around the world.
Okay.
You know, so and they're obviously looking forward to showcase their investment opportunities to all attendees. And according to Ronan Vaspart, who's the director of MIPIM, he says that 90% of European cities and regions who exhibited at MIPIM 2019 have already committed to take stands at the events.
All right. Well, we already bought our tickets to fly there, so good.
And we've got a stand as well.
Then we have a stand. Yes, exactly.
And he goes on to say that people, their clients and people who really want to go back to face, and they're really looking forward to this MIPIM in March, and he's looking forward to welcome everyone in a safe environment, of course, like they did last September.
Sure, yeah, very safe. We survived that one very nicely.
You did. Moving to the Czech Republic, and VGP is expanding its portfolio in Ústí nad Labem, where it plans to build a technology park. And the project is located close to the city centre, and it's only 2 kilometres from the D8 motorway, which connects Prague and Dresden. So it's got great logistic connections. The complex is being built on a brownfield site, and VGP plans to develop 52,000 square metres at this site.
It's a pretty good sized site.
Yeah, there'll be 3 halls in total, and VGP is hoping to get a very good rating under the BREEAM Green certification for all those developments.
Excellent. Well, good they're building on a brown site. I mean, it's always good to see those being revitalized.
Yeah, I mean, with so much logistics development going on these days, you know, they got to put it where they can get it. Yeah.
Exactly.
Close to city centres, though, is proving to be very popular with the last mile. And finally, for today. One of our clients actually is celebrating a delightful success and a good year, which is MK Illumination.
Oh, okay.
And they've had a kind of a very, one of the strongest years in their operations, 2021, not only in their home markets but worldwide. And they go on to say that they've had sales of 140 million euros in 2021.
Wow, that sounds very good.
Yeah, and these sales in the Middle East and the USA slumped in previous years, but in 2021 they were up again with such projects as Saks on Fifth Avenue and the Cartier flagship store in Manhattan, so in New York there. And they go on to say that the main areas of success for MK Illuminations is in the public sector, which is city centres. They've been collaborating with city centres to get people back into city centres.
Yeah,
and this is proved to be very successful for them because post pandemic.
Yeah,
everyone's desperate for more people.
Public money. They can afford that stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, and another part of their success is the Lumagica Lights Parks.
Okay.
And they've got these specialised parks which appeal to visitors in the darker months, and they were launched in 2018, and they have 6 parks already in Germany, and there's more to follow in Slovakia, Poland, Japan, London, and New York. And according to Klaus Mark from MK Illumination, he says, with Lumagica, cities offer an additional attraction and can generate a special appeal for both locals and tourists in the realisation of our parks. We therefore work very well in the partnerships with city marketing and tourism organisations. So it seems that they found extra ways to, get their Christmas lights out there and,
Well, I guess people are just a little bit depressed because of COVID and now more lighting and the city's making things look nicer. It's making people happier.
Yeah, and he closes with, he's very optimistic for 2022. Next year is their 25th anniversary, and he says that their company is hearing very positive signals on the market as a whole. And shopping centres are, determined to bring people back into shopping centres, into city centres as well, by offering good experiences and creating an atmosphere that inspires people away from their sofas.
Right. Well, it's good to inspire them to leave their sofa and stop watching Netflix for 10 minutes and go to the mall. Well, yeah, it is a lot. It is very nice. Good. Congratulations to MK Illumination on 25 years and, where they're sponsoring our retail awards. So maybe they'll bring us some nice lighting as well.
Sharing the wealth.
Sharing the happiness. Well, thank you everybody for watching our show. We have over 8,000 viewers a week on the news and actually over 14,000, I can say, on the interviews these days. So if you're interested in partnering with us for 1 or 2 or 3 weeks next year, 2022, just drop me a quick email and we can talk a message and we can talk a little bit about when would be a good week to get the best value out of that. And anyway, enjoy your Christmas. And like I said, if we don't see you, we hope you have a safe and happy Christmas time, and for you and all your family, and we will see you soon. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.